On to our final activity task B5, which is using presentation software. It goes on to say Sylvie is giving a presentation about her company at a conference. This is the design for slide 1. Normally when it comes to presentation software, it is always best to read the entire paper, go through the entire question, and then start doing it. Okay, so once you have gone through the entire question, we can start again from the beginning. It says this is the design for her slide. This is the layout that she has produced. Sylvie has started to produce slide 1. She has added the company name and a title for the slide, images from the images folder. So first thing is open the presentation cruise. So over here you have the presentation cruise, and once you open that, you can see the slide that she has created. Yes, this is the slide that she has created. Now moving on to the question paper, it tells us that make these changes to slide 1, insert the IGCSE logo you created from task A1A. So you know the logo has to be over here on the slide top right corner. So in my folder I have the logo over here. I'm just going to right click, copy, and come over here, and I'm going to go for paste. Okay, bring the logo over here, make sure it is small enough. Okay, so that's the first thing. Second part goes on to say change the company name to match the house style. So the house style is mentioned at the beginning of the paper. You have to go right to the beginning of the paper, and it says that the house style for company documents is uppercase letters for the company name. So top margin set to 4 cm, that is for company documents such as letters, reports, and all that. Logo in the top right hand corner. So logo is over here. This has to be set to all uppercase. So we come over here and we say we want this to be completely uppercase. Then moving on to the next question, let's go back to the other question. It goes on to say enter your name, candidate number, and the number in the center of the slide footer. So you can either type it over here, or you can simply come to insert and click header and footer. Make sure this box is ticked, and you can just type your candidate. What did it go on to say? It said name, candidate number, and center number. Okay, so name, you just put 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and apply to all. Okay, then the next question goes on to say in the center, it's in the center. You can see it's over here in the center. Create one slide about the islands and one slide about the harbor. Use this design for these 2 slides. So if you come to the home tab, you can create a new slide. I'm just going to go for a new slide. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust this new slide according to the layout shown over here. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to make this smaller, and then what I'm going to do is get the logo copied from here over to here. That's done too. And then I'm going to be making this smaller for the image. Sorry, so text is going to be coming over onto this side, and I'm going to keep this empty gap for the image to come. Okay, so like this I will be requiring create one slide about the islands and one slide about the harbor. So using the same layout, I will need another one for the harbor. So over here I'm going to type islands, and over here I'm going to be typing, oops, sorry, it moved, and I'm going to be typing over here harbor. That's done as well. Now each slide must be fit for purpose. Include text from the presentation document. So in your folder you should be having a document called presentation, and when you open it you'll be finding the relevant information you need to copy and paste into your PowerPoint document. So over here, yes, text for harbor slide is over here. So let me just copy this, Control C, come here. Which one did I copy? I copied for harbor. So let me paste harbor over here. And to make it more fit for purpose, I'm going to make each a bullet point. Press enter after each full stop and make it a bullet point. That's done. And then also get a suitable image for harbor. I think this looks fine for harbor. go with this one, Control C. I'm going to come over here and paste it, Control V. Then adjust the size of the image. That's done over here. And then I need to get the text for islands as well. So Control C, Control V, and make sure they are in bullet points. It's more fit for purpose. Normally putting a paragraph into a presentation is not a very good idea, but instead when you put into bullet points, it looks more fit for purpose as a presentation. Also, I'm supposed to get a suitable image. Islands, I think this would be the best looking one. Control C, come over here, Control V, and bring this over to here. That's done as well. Now let's go back to our question paper. Include text from presentation, done. Include a suitable image from the images folder, that's also done. Resave the presentation as cruise. So the presentation is already called cruise, so you just got to click on resave. Okay, so save is also done. Then print a handouts copy of the presentation that shows all 3 slides in one A4 sheet. So I'm supposed to take a printout of this showing all 3 slides in one A4 sheet. So if I come to File, Print, shortcut key is Control P. If I come into print right now, it's showing one slide on one A4 paper. So what I got to do is I'm going to come and click over here, and I'm going to say I want to see 3 slides on one A4 paper, and then you can click on print and the document will start printing. Okay.